Gold prices are trying to find new levels after the FOMC minutes came out on Wednesday, which suggested that many board members are in line with Ben Bernanke to begin tapering sometime before the end of this year. Here to talk about what he thinks might actually happen is Chuck Butler. Chuck, thanks for being with us.
Hi, Joe. Great to be here today.
So, Chuck, do you think September taper is a possibility? And if so, what's it going to do to gold?
Well, I do think that September taper is a possibility because the chairman, Ben Bernanke's last meeting will be in December. So I really don't think that he's going to want to wait until his last meeting to begin this tapering. He's going to want to start it and give it some time to start working through before he leaves his office. But regarding how gold reacts to that, I think that whenever we talk about tapering, everyone seems to believe that that means it's the end. Well, it's not the end. It's just that it's going to be lowered. So instead of buying $85 billion worth of bonds every month, they might buy $65 billion for a couple months and work it down over time. So as long as the markets get a feel for that, I think that gold will remain still a viable investment opportunity. It's only if the markets think that the tapering is the end, then I think you see gold will lose some steam.
So even in a world where the Fed begins to taper, not only in September, but months after that, assuming that September is when they would begin to taper, you do believe in an environment in which the Federal Reserve is finally drawing down its purchases in mortgage-backed securities and treasuries, that gold can still rise?
Yes, I do. And the reason is that there's still a lot of uncertainty in the world. You still have all the goings on in the Middle East. You have China, which is trying to stabilize their economy. You have the Eurozone, which is just coming out of a recession, but there's no guarantees that it doesn't slip right back into it. A lot of uncertainties, and I always think of gold as like this uncertainty hedge, and that's how I view it. So therefore, I think that it will remain well bid during this tapering.
All right, Chuck Butler at EverBank, thanks so much.
Okay, thank you.
For TheStreet, I'm Joe Deaux.